You never know what's going to happen at Cindy's. I came in to shoot some footage and ended up filming a wedding proposal. Yeah, at the range. It was awesome. Big congratulations to the happy couple, and thank you for letting me capture it.
Oh, okay.
Hi, guys.
Can I park back door? No. Which park? Over here.
We're shooting YouTube videos.
Yes.
You guys here shoot?
Yeah.
Want to be in a YouTube video?
Let's go.
I know where that is.
Well, since y'all gonna be in the video, I'm Turning Point Tactics. Nice to meet you guys.
Gotta get some plug in.
But I go by Dash on YouTube, yeah. So, yeah. So, I mean, all right, Rob, I'm helping you. You what?
No problem.
No, Brooke. Hold on, you guys remember Brooke, right?
Honestly.
Hey, and you know Simon? Don't you dare touch the lens.
You're on. Fourth, you're on.
9. Well, I'll move down. But
You're on 9
That's what happens when you come early.
It's a lot of confusion.
It's very much just
I'll move down.
It's been a script show.
Yeah.
You need people, you're good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell them where to go.
All right, you guys head down to 10. You guys are on 10. I'll set up my stuff on 9.
Okay.
Brr. It is a little chilly down here.
Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice?
Guns in my hand.
I wanna marry you. I'll go get a ring, let the choir bells sing like ooh. So
You gotta shoot it now.
Shit!
Hey! Send it home!